And we're bringing you some breaking news that's just coming in. The Iranian embassy in India has issued a statement blaming Israel for the war. The statement says, "We are defending ourselves. Israel is targeting civilians." The Iranian embassy statement in India has said that Israel is violating the UN Charter and Iran has vowed to retaliate to Israeli strikes. This is information that's just coming in as the Iranian embassy in India issues its statement. The Iranian embassy has said that Israel has violated the UN Charter, that Israel is targeting civilians, and that Iran has vowed to retaliate to Israeli attacks. This is a statement coming in from the Iranian embassy in India, blaming Israel for fomenting war, saying that Iran is simply defending itself. It is also said that Israel has been targeting civilians, that it has violated the UN Charter when it comes to war rules. Remember, the situation in the Middle East is showing no signs of abating as Israel has used its air superiority to attack different areas in Iran. Iran, of course, saying that they will be retaliating. They've also said that Israel is violating the United Nations Charter and is attacking civilians. Shivani Sharma joins me on this story. Shivani, Iran taking a very firm stance saying that Israel is violating the international human rights and war rules, that Israel is attacking civilians. At the same time, we're seeing the visuals from the Iran state television. What more do we know about the situation in the Middle East?
Anisha, the situation in the Middle East has escalated over last 48 hours with Israel attacking a number of places, targeting a number of important establishments and neutralizing the chief of army out there. And now Iran embassy in India has given out a statement in which it says that Israel is not following the international laws of human rights. It also calls for the United Nations and a collective effort to stop this kind of attack inside Iran because, heavy damages have now been inflicted over Iran with its key people in the nuclear energy programs as well as in its command, the war command. They have been inflicted with major damages. So now Iran seems to be appealing for intervention by the partners and also by the United Nations. And it also says that civil areas inside Iran are being targeted, while Israel has been saying that it has been targeting only those operational key areas where it is focused with the operation. It is not putting any kind of attacks or missiles on the civilian areas. Rather, Anisha, we've seen in past 2 days how Iran has also attacked several cities in Israel, including the port city of Haifa, where we saw a major oil refinery that was attacked by Iran. We saw how the attacks happened in Tel Aviv, in the cities of Jerusalem inside Israel. And not only this, Anisha, the US embassy inside Israel, in fact, Tel Aviv was attacked by Iran yesterday. So after which these attacks and these targets that are being escalated by both the sides have come, and now the Iran embassy has said that there needs to be a mediation. That's what this statement says, and it says that Israel has been attacking the civilians inside Iran. Anisha.
Thank you very much for that perspective, Shivani.